Alpine Advanced Materials is your partner in producing high-performance parts. We are problem solvers. Our mission is to address our customers' needs, challenges, and opportunities, working with you to address design issues and select the right material for your project. Once a plan is established, we start working on engineering. With decades of combined experience in composite manufacturing, we are the metallic to non-metallic design experts with unrivaled experience in lightweighting existing systems. Whether you require full design services or your engineering team needs limited assistance, we can drop into your design process however you prefer. Once the part is designed, we aim to develop a prototype. RPM is a process from Alpine that provides functional injection molded prototypes in a fraction of the time and cost of a fully tooled solution. Using 3D printing technology to create a negative cavity of the part with a dissolvable resin, we then inject the high-performance thermoplastic material into the mold, delivering a cost-effective, high-performing part in a matter of days. RPM delivers prototype parts in hand before tool investment, allowing you to test before you invest and mitigate your risk of moving to production-level injection molding. Capable of producing hundreds of identical parts in a single day with a single tool, injection molding is the fastest, most scalable, and affordable manufacturing method available. Whether you already have a skilled tool or need one, we are here to help optimize your injection molding experience. Alpine also provides 24/7 manufacturing services, ensuring that you get the parts you need when you need them. All of this is made possible by our elastic supply chain and extensive network of manufacturing partners providing built-in redundancy. After injection molding, we complete any necessary secondary processes before performing a thorough quality inspection and any required testing in order to ensure delivery of perfect parts to our customers every time. We also provide legacy part support, inventory management, and complementary tool maintenance for the life of your tool. Alpine offers an extensive portfolio of high-performance injection molded composites, including our flagship material, HX5. HX5 is a multi-scale reinforced polymer that is 93% the strength of 6061 T6 aluminum, but only half the weight. And it is uniquely capable of creating complex geometries with intricate designs where other materials experience challenges. HX5 features native environmental properties such as corrosion resistance, EMI attenuation, and resistance to extreme temperature fluctuations. Higher strength, conductivity, or temperature requirements can be addressed either by integrating HX5 with a stronger material or via easily applicable high-performance coatings. Arguably the most versatile and capable injection molded thermoplastic available, HX5 is ideal for high-performance applications that need to travel further, faster, and it has been in operational use since 2015. We are Alpine Advanced Materials. We deliver the future of innovation with confidence.